Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare review on the ZO Skin Health. This is the Wrinkle and Texture Repair Serum with retinol. And I have so many things to say about this little guy because one, if you know about ZO Skin Health, it's not cheap. This bottle runs like $140, like around $140. Thankfully, I got this one as a gift from a friend because I had the worst reaction to it. But just a little bit of background on this product. It's a 50 milliliter bottle, so 1.7 fluid ounces, and there's 0.5% retinol. So what did I use this for? I used this actually on my neck, and only on my neck. Just to moisturize my neck, because generally I use like a lotion, but because my friend gave me this lovely bottle, I was like, okay, I will use this instead. And so I have been religiously lathering this on my neck every morning and sometimes evening under my SPF, and I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and maybe like 3 days ago I woke up with like redness and like it almost looked like hives, like I was allergic to it, and I'm pretty sure it was a reaction to the retinol just because my neck wasn't used to it. But honestly, my skin isn't sensitive. I do kind of have combination skin, and I do like to use products that lean on the side for sensitive skin, but my skin honestly isn't sensitive. I don't really break out too often, and I don't have eczema or anything like that. So this was really crazy because this never really happens to me. So the reaction that I actually got was redness, heat, like it's still hot to the touch, itchiness, and it just didn't feel great. Like when I took hot showers, it didn't feel good. When I put anything on it, so like I put lotion on it and it wouldn't feel really good, or like I put on a face mask the other night and some of the serum came down to my neck area and it also like didn't react very well. And like when I wake up in the morning, sometimes it'll be almost like scaly, not scaly, but like there's like dryness, there's like white dryness. And the first morning when I woke up and it happened, I thought that I had like dried toothpaste on my neck or something that I just didn't notice the night before when I was brushing my teeth, but that wasn't it. And like even now you can still kind of see that it's a little bit red and that there's a little bit of red spots. So yeah, you guys can see that there's red spots and they don't feel good. They feel terrible actually. And so this is my neck situation right now. I've read that people have had this type of reaction to retinol, and I don't know if it's just this product, but I have used retinol before and I did not get this reaction. So I don't want to blame this bottle, but I'm kind of blaming this bottle. I honestly think for $140 it would be really great if it didn't cause this. But again, I did receive this as a gift from my friend, so I didn't actually have to pay the $140. But honestly, I wouldn't pay it just because this happened to me, and I want to warn all of you guys that this could potentially happen to you if you also try to use this. But I know that their products are pretty tried and true. It's a pretty famous skincare brand that's recommended by a lot of dermatologists and facialists. Honestly, if you want to give it a try, feel free to go ahead and do so. Just keep in mind, in case you notice any sensitivity or redness, like just stop using it. When I noticed it was already too late for me, like this is like day 3 and my neck is just hot and itchy and it feels terrible. I did see online that people do have a solution for this, and the solution that I saw online is Eucerin Calming Cream. I haven't tried it just because I don't have it, and I don't want to risk going outside right now just to get it. But I've just been using some Lubriderm and Vaseline, and it's slowly getting better. I honestly really just want to say that this is not my favorite product, but I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is a pump, and when you pump it out, it looks like this. yellowish color. And it's pretty thick because it's for like wrinkle repair and like treatment and stuff like that, right? And so as you guys can see, it's like pretty thick, almost as thick as like Vaseline, maybe a little bit less thick than Vaseline, but yeah, it's like this almost yellowy color. And yeah, it looks like this. I'm okay putting it in my hand just because my skin is honestly pretty resilient. Like, this is the first time anything has ever happened to me. It almost smells like they used maybe like lemony kind of scents. I don't know, it smells a little bit citrusy, a little bit warm toned, but it smells nice and it's not too fragrant. I don't think they put any fragrance in this. On the back there are directions that just say apply to clean dry skin, and then there's warnings that not to let it touch your eyes, and don't use if you are pregnant or lactating, and don't use on broken or damaged skin, avoid contact with eyes, and then rinse with water to remove, stop use if irritation develops. And that is pretty much all that there is on this bottle. So that was my review of the ZO Skin Health Wrinkle Plus Texture Repair. Again, it's like $140. The bottle is a good amount. Maybe not for, depending on, I don't know what kind of quality you guys use for your serums, but it is a good size bottle. It is also really expensive, and it also did cause me some redness and irritation. So I really think you should try it out if you can, and if you can't and you also really want to try it, then go ahead and do so. But just a warning to definitely keep in mind that irritation may happen, and if it does, please be attentive of it and take care of your skin. So that's it for this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or comment down below if you have any questions about this product or ZO Skin Health or any of the other products that you may or may want me to try for you guys. I don't think I will try them though, just because of what happened. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.